Good afternoon, all. Today we are going to discuss the exercises of chapter number 5, separation of substances. Question number 1 is definitions. First is mixture, a substance made by mixing other substance together. Second, handpicking, the process of removing unwanted components such as pebbles and straw from grains and pulses by hand. Third is sieving, the process used to separate mixture containing components of different sizes. Fourth is threshing, the process of separating the grains from the stalks. Fifth is winnowing, the process of separating grains from the chaff by allowing the mixture to fall from a certain height. Sixth is sedimentation, the process of settling down of heavier insoluble particles from a mixture containing an insoluble solid in a liquid. Seventh is solubility, the ability of a substance to dissolve in a specific liquid. 8. Decantation, the process of pouring out the clear upper liquid without disturbing the sediment. 9th is filtration, the process of separating an insoluble solid from a liquid by using a filtering device. 10th is evaporation, the process of converting a liquid into its vapor form by heating. 11. Condensation, the process of converting water vapor to water on cooling. Solution, the resulting mixture formed when a solute completely dissolves in a solvent. And the last defined is saturated solution, a solution which cannot dissolve more of the solute in a given temperature. Now question number 2 is tick the correct options to fill in the blanks. First is, in a mixture containing sugar and a sand, the constituent is or are dash. A is sugar only, B sand only, C sugar and sand. So the answer is sugar and sand, C. Second is, dash is a process of separation used by farmers. Option are A. Filtration, B. Distillation, C. Threshing. So the answer is threshing, C. Threshing. Third, a dash is used during the process of distillation. A. Sieve, B. Liebig condenser, C. Filter paper. So the answer is B. Liebig condenser. Fourth, a single substance of a definite composition is called A or an dash. A is pure substance, B impure substance, and C is mixture. So the answer is A, pure substance. Fifth, with the rise in temperature, the solubility of gases and water dash. A increases, B decreases, C remains same. So the answer is B, decreases. Now question number 3, true or false. First, the process of winnowing is used to remove pebbles from pulses. The answer is false. Second, a mixture of water and mustard oil can be separated by using a separating funnel. The answer is true. Third, the separation of tea leaves from tea can be done by sieving. The answer is false. Fourth one, the process of sedimentation is used to separate salt from sea water. The answer is false. Fifth, the solubility of different substances in water is different. The answer is true. Question number 4 is match the following. Okay. So first is pure substance. Pure substance, the answer is D, definite properties. Second, supersaturated solution. The answer is C, carbonated water. Third is A, filtration. A, filter paper. Fourth is sea water. The answer is E, common salt and water. Fifth, immiscible liquids. The answer is B, water and oil. Now, question number 5, very short answer question. First is, name the method used for separating small stones from food grains. The answer is, hand picking is used for separating small stones from food grains. Second, name the process by which water is separated from rice and pulses after washing them. Answer, decantation is used to separate water from rice and pulses after washing them. Third, name one method of separating a mixture of chalk powder and water. Answer, filtration can be used to separate a mixture of chalk powder and water. Fourth one, what name is given to the solution which contain more solute that can be dissolved in that solvent under normal conditions? Answer is dissolve in that solvent under normal conditions. So the answer is the solution which contains more solute that can be dissolved in the solvent under normal conditions is called a supersaturated solution. Now fifth is, does the solubility of a solid substance in water increases or decrease on heating? Answer, the solubility of a solid water in water increases on heating. Now question number 6, short answer question. First one, you are given a salt solution. What method will you use? To recover only salt or to recover salt as well as water? Answer, to recover only salt from a mixture of a salt and water, we may use the process of evaporation. To recover salt as well as water from a mixture of salt and water, we may use the process of distillation. Second one, what is evaporation? Stage 1 large scale use the process of evaporation. The process in which a liquid changes into its vapor state is called evaporation. This process is used on a large scale to obtain common salt from sea water. Third, explain the process of threshing. Threshing of paddy is traditionally carried out by beating the harvested crop with sticks. On the other hand, threshing of wheat and other crops is carried out by making animals such as bullocks and buffaloes on the crops. However, in case of big fields, threshing is done by using machines called threshers, which economically quicker and more efficient than using animals. Fourth, which methods are employed during purification of an impure sample of common salts? Answer, sedimentation and decantation followed by filtration and distillation can be used to purify an impure sample of a common salt. The method employed for purification will depend upon the substances present in the impure sample. What is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures? Mixtures where the constituents cannot be distinctly or separately are called homogeneous mixtures. On the other hand, mixtures in which the constituents can be seen easily are called heterogeneous mixtures. So here exercises of chapter number 5 is also completed. So here we end our session. Thank you all.